So, good evening, everyone. So, today I am going to tell you about the summary of our last week, that is the week 4 of our business entrepreneurship class. So, last week our entrepreneurship class received an electrifying boost when we hosted Mr. Ajit Bhattacharya, the visionary founder of Virtual Linux Corp. So, it is one of the India's pioneering gaming and deep tech studios founded in 1998. His presence was a masterclass in innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship. So, first I would like to tell you about Mr. Ajit Bhattacharya. So, he is a serial entrepreneur since 1998. Began his entrepreneurial journey while still a student, founding Virtual Lane Infocom with just 49 rupees in his pocket during his initial days. That company specializes in game development, VR, AI, Gen AI, blockchain, deep tech, and smart city solutions. So he provided global mentor. He is a global mentor and speaker. He mentored over 6,000 startups across more than 90 countries and spoke at over 2,100 events worldwide. Creator of digital human and gaming first. So he developed India's first digital human characters from real actors and models, and produced culturally significant games like the RPG, Ashwathama, movie-based titles, and genre-first games in neighboring countries. So he also founded multiple ventures, founder of Entrepreneur Space, World Leader Summit, Sino Venturers, Cosplay Sellers, and several other platforms supporting entrepreneurs, ED developers, and creative communities. So, key learning highlights from the session are: first, entrepreneurship beyond starting ups. So, Mr. Bhattacharya redefines entrepreneurship. He tells that entrepreneurship is not just as launching a business, but it is identifying a real problem and creating an everlasting solution. It's about persistence, purpose, and adaptability. Second, seizing opportunities via cutting edge tech. So he delved us into the emerging technologies like AI, VR, blockchain, Gen AI, and etc. That are not just technical breakthroughs but also the catalyst for entrepreneur ventures. Third, blueprint to start and scale a venture. His affectionable roadmap included: start small with what you have, just like he start just 49 rupees in his pocket. Validate first, then build the minimum valuable product. Means that first, do not focus on jumping on the exact or most best solution, but start with failures and try to learn from them and build a product that finally make an everlasting impact. Seek mentors and networking opportunities. It is very important that you should have mentors and you have a great network. It not only helps for your entrepreneur but also in your life skills. It is very important. Scale sustainable once you found traction. It means that once you know what is the problem in your idea, what the challenges you have faced, and you failed many times, that you learn where to improve and how to improve it. Then that's the phase when you actually start to building your startup. Fourth, crucial entrepreneur skills. So he urged students to cultivate critical thinking and adaptability, financial and technological literacy, leadership and communication abilities. Fifth, personal journey and inspiring advice. So, from bootstrapping his company during the college to pioneering digital human games and founding global entrepreneur platforms, his story underlined the power of resilience that says that one standout advice: start with what you have, value attracts investors. At last, we have a student interaction and Q&A session. So, in the interactive segment, he addressed that funding about his initial days and journey, about funding without investors. How does he start without having so much money, or actually say not so much in capital so that he compete with what already stabilized giants exist in the market. Second, balancing academics and business. Building a personal brand early. It states that during his college days, he just attended his college, that is the VTech, for just 1 to 2 months, and then he dropped out for starting his own business. So it states that it is not important that you are a college dropout or studying any field in a degree or doing any degree. It's important that you should have a persistence nature, and you should does not give up so earlier. You have to be go through the hard works, failures, and at the end only you will able to achieve success. If you if you give up very earlier, you are not able to become a good entrepreneur. So at last, the session concluded with Mr. Arjit Bhattacharya thanking us for being in this session, and we also enjoyed the session a lot. So we walked away not with just knowledge, but with the belief that entrepreneurship is a mindset grounded in curiosity, innovation, and impact. As he continues to uplift startups globally, merged with the deep tech, his words and journey remain a powerful blueprint for all budding entrepreneurs. So that was all for our last week class. Thank you for all. Meet you in the next class.